Welcome to Learn Digital Marketing in 5 minutes, your crash course to understanding the exciting world of digital marketing. In this video, we'll cover the key concepts and strategies that will empower you to effectively promote your brand in the online sphere. So let's dive in. Section 1, Introduction to Digital Marketing. First, let's start with the basics. Digital marketing encompasses various online techniques designed to reach and engage with your target audience. From optimizing your website's visibility to harnessing the power of social media, digital marketing offers a wide range of opportunities to showcase your brand. Section 2, Search Engine Optimization, SEO. When it comes to improving your website's visibility on search engine result pages, search engine optimization, or SEO, is your best friend. SEO involves optimizing various aspects of your website to rank higher organically. By utilizing relevant keywords, optimizing your meta tags, and improving website speed, you can attract more organic traffic and reach a wider audience. Section 3, Social Media Marketing. Social media platforms present a fantastic opportunity to connect with your audience in an engaging and interactive way. Social media marketing involves leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to build brand awareness, drive traffic, and generate leads. By creating a solid social